How to create demo account in capital.com. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a demo account in capital.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in capital.com, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is capital.com, it is a leading online trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and a comprehensive educational resources. And the platform also offers a wide range of financial instruments across multiple asset classes with over 3,000 markets available for trading. And capital.com is dedicated to empowering traders to innovative tools and insights including real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and responsive mobile applications. And the platform is committed to transparency with zero commissions and competitive spreads. It also provides a demo trading experience to help traders refine their skills without risking real capital. And capital.com has received multiple awards for its platform features and customer support. And now to start using this platform, you could also click this Trade Now button or this Practice for Free button right here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you in here a pop-up window that you can sign up using your email address and by entering your password, or alternatively, you could also sign up your Google or using your Facebook and Apple ID. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page right here, in which this is the dashboard of capital.com. And as you can see, we're currently under this trade option, but you could also navigate Discover, Charts, Portfolio, Reports, and many more. And on the top panel, it will also show you your available balance, equity, funds. As you can see, we're currently under Demo Account. So all of these are just for practice. And from here, you could also turn on this one if you want to change or to make it into a dark mode. And aside from that, if you also want to make an additional or to top up a balances, just click this demo on the top right corner and click top up $10,000. And after that, it will now show you that the balances is now being added $10,000, which is all for practices. And below here, it will show you all of the current market, change, sell, buy, and other assets in here that you can trade. And on the left side panel, it will show you all of the watch lists, including your favorite for country, the top pricers, base metals, energies, stock commodities, indices, and many more. And below here, you could also select some of the most traded from different countries and even for forex exchange. But currently, it is not available in here. So we're just going to proceed under our favorites right here. By clicking on it, it will show us in here all of the asset that we can trade. So let's say we're going to choose this gold. By clicking buy in here, it will show us on the right side panel how we can start buying this kind of asset. And below here under this graph, it will show us the prices or the status in which it will go up and down depending on the market price. And as you can see, currently the price of it is 2,338, but it is also changing as the times goes by. Now below here under the size, we could also input the size that we want or the troy ounces that we want to buy. And below here, it will show us the margin required in order to purchase this kind of sizes, which is 2,338 US$ or size 100. And below, we could also toggle this buy when prices, or basically, we can automatically buy this kind of assets by setting up or when the price set up or when the spot price that we enter here hit. So for instance, we're going to enter here the price that we want to, in which 2,320 is what I just entered. So basically, if we place a limit order, and if the price becomes 2,320, we will automatically buy this gold asset in here. Moving on below here, under close at loss, by clicking on it, you will be able to determine your loss by simply filling out in this page, in which you can select either what kind of trading that you prefer. We have here normal, trailing, and guaranteed. But let's say I'm going to select normal right here. But before that, let's say I'm going to change my price or my limit order. Instead of 2,320, I'm going to enter here 2,330. Then below here, you could also add a date of cancellation if you want to in here by simply clicking on this calendar. And now that we change the prices that we prefer, going back on our close at loss, from here all we need to do is simply enter the amount of loss that we can possibly get if the prices or the level of this asset hit. For instance, $500 is the amount that we can lose if the price or the level of this asset gold hit 2,325. So basically, if we purchase it at 2,330 and it decrease or it downfall into 2,325, we'll be able to have a loss of $500. Now moving on below here, we could also determine our close at profit by clicking on it. Below here, all we need to do is simply enter the amount of the possible profit that we can get. Then below, it will show us the distance and also the level in order to get this kind or amount of profit in here. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the amount of profit, which is 500 US dollar as the close loss at the top. So basically, we will able to get this close profit at the level of 2,335 if we buy this kind of asset or gold at the 2,330. And now to proceed, just click this place limit order button below here in order to place our order. And now as you can see here, the order has now been placed, in which we can buy 100 shares if the price has been hit to 2,330 in here. And now to sell, just click the sell button right here in order to sell a specific kind of asset. Let's say this gold again. From here, all we need to do is simply enter the amount of size, and we could also set up the prices in here, in which if that price or level has been set, and if it is reached, the asset that we just selected will automatically be sold. And below here, we could also determine close at loss and also close at profit, which is also same process as we did earlier. By simply entering here the amount, we will be able to see here the level that we can get the profit or loss. Moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here under watch list this portfolio, in which it will show us all of the order that we just placed in here. As you can see, it says here that we can get the 100 or automatically buy this gold if the price is hit at 2,330. However, it is currently 2,337, so it will not automatically buy at this point. Now moving on, we could also navigate some other asset and other instruments in here that we could also trade. However, it is not available since we're just using a demo account. But if it is available, we can choose the most volatile kind of asset and instrument in here in order to start trading and buying or selling a specific kind of asset. Now moving on the left side panel, we can also navigate here the discover option. By clicking on it, it will show us in here the most traded asset, the most volatile, risers, and also the failures kind of crypto, forex exchange, and other instrument or asset in here, which is also very helpful before trading on this platform in here. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here the charts, in which the purpose of this is to enhance traders' analysis skills. These tools include technical indicators and drawing tools that help traders analyze price movements and patterns. And now under this portfolio, from here it will show us all of our trades and orders in here, so that we can track the status of it, either to buy or sell the specific kind of asset. Moving on to the reports. From here it will also show us the list of our transaction and activity in here, which is also very helpful to track and to navigate our balances. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate this invite friends option right here, in which we can basically refer our friends to earn cash. And if they deposit, we will get a commission depending on the amount that they deposit. So from here, you can simply share your referral link and start earning money using this program. Now moving on to settings option on the left side panel. From here, you could also navigate or customize your accounts, your personal details to change your password, two-factor authentication to set up, API integration, device activity to track, notifications, to navigate, and even the platform settings in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a demo account in Capital.com. Thank you.